Guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're taking off these nails, but I really do need to remind you that I am a hobbyist. I am not a professional. I do not know what I'm doing. So if I say anything wrong, or if you think I'm doing something wrong, just know that I'm just a hobbyist and just want to have pretty nails whenever I want it. So I decided to just experiment with stuff. Okay, now I went ahead and washed my hands and the nails because I do want to keep them. I don't know what I'm keeping them for, but everybody online seems to be keeping their nails. They peel off, so I'm gonna keep mine for a few months and see if I want to show you all of them. Maybe look at the progress. If not, then I'll just toss them. Okay, after I washed my hands, I went ahead and added some CeraVe to my hands because I do need moisturized hands to come talk to you. I don't want to have ashy looking hands. Okay, we are still using skincare on the hands. We're using the Wit Shine eraser. It's a cuticle softener, and I will just put a drop on each nail. It's so liquidy, a drop is too much. I'll just touch it to my nail, that way I'm not wasting product. Okay, we're just gonna wait a few seconds for this to do its thing. Also, while I was applying my hand lotion, I used some of this Paradox, I think you pronounce it. It smells really good. It actually made me think that the smell is coming from the cuticle softener. Okay, this is supposed to be the intense version. It smells very nice. So if you have it, let me know how you like it. If not, you might want to maybe pick up a travel size version just to see. Okay, I'll just push the cuticles and keep it pushing. My nails look so good. They're clean. There's no product buildup on it. I'll be clipping my cuticles with my brand new cuticle clipper. I have to say, this cuticle clipper is sharper than any cuticle clipper I've used. It is so sharp. I have to be careful not to hurt myself. Because I've been changing my nails every 2 weeks, I don't really have a lot of growth on my nails, and also my cuticles look pretty neat. I don't have to clip too much of it, so I'm not gonna overdo it because I really don't want to hurt myself. Okay, now if you're a beginner at doing your Gel X nails, I have to say I am not an expert. I am also a beginner at doing Gel X nails at home, so if you're looking for someone who has all the tips and tricks and this and that, honey, I'm not the right person. But if you want someone who is a beginner just like you, who will understand your struggles and, you know, help you figure out, or maybe might have the same questions as yourself, then stay. Let's do a fresh set of Gel X and see how our nails turn out. Okay, get your tools and tag along with me. I'm gonna go ahead and just clip my nails because I do want them to be a little bit shorter under the nail. Plus, I'm still trying to get rid of my damaged nail from before. So I'm gonna keep clipping it until this part reaches the tip of it. Okay, I'm taking a nail file. This is the 180/280 grit file. The front is for smooth and the back is rougher, so we're gonna use the smooth side, and we're just going to shape and clean up the nail. You don't have to cut it this short, but once again, I'm trying to get rid of some very damaged nails at the top, so that's why I'm doing it. I have very small baby nails. I'm taking my lint-free wipe and I'm going to push down on my alcohol bottle and wipe all the excess products off my nail to give it a good scrub, okay? That's how I do mine. You don't have to scrub it hard, but you know, just give it a good scrub. Okay, at this point, your nails are ready to go to the next step, okay? I am going to apply some peel-off base. I'm going to apply 2 peel-off bases to my nail. You don't have to do this if you want your nails to last longer than 2, 3, 4 weeks. I take mine off every 2 weeks, so I need to make it easier for me to remove. Okay. Okay, before I do anything on my nails, I am going to size my tip, so just needs to make sure it covers sidewall to sidewall. This is what my nails looks like with the peel-off base on there. I didn't do any kind of a nail file prep today, so you know, we'll take it like that. I also forgot to put on my UV gloves, which I'm gonna do now. Hopefully I don't get any lint on my nails. Okay, this is what my nails look like once I put the Jello peel-off base on. I'm actually very interested in seeing how long it's gonna last with the nail lacquer on the nail. I'm also a bit disappointed in the length of my medium almond nail, so I'm going to be ordering an Aprés. I'm going to be ordering the Aprés long almond. This is the stressful part. This part stresses me out. But I'm taking my lamp from Aprés. I'm gonna set it up. I went ahead and chemically etched the inside of the nail. So what we're gonna do is start putting it on, okay? This is what it looks like on the inside and the outside. So I'm going to take the Extend gel. It comes in the kit that I will link in this video. You're supposed to apply a thin layer on the inside of the nail. and then put a small bead at the bottom of it and apply it to the nail. Now, I'm a beginner at this, so sometimes it takes me a few tries to get it right. So just take your time, as many times as it takes for you to do it. Put it on and press it down. I'm gonna push down and put it into the lamp. I don't like putting too much gel on it because then it spills out, and also I can't push it down flat towards on my nail bed, okay? Definitely can add a little bit more gel to this. And I think it's crooked. It might be a little bit crooked, but that's okay. I messed up. I didn't put enough in there, so this side is a little bit lifted. This is a first for me. Oh, I hate this. I'm taking some of the gel and I'm gonna put it under here, try to get it to go in there. Tiny lamp died while I was doing this finger, so I had to try to go charge it. So this is what the nails look like once applied. I really like what it looks like. I made a few mistakes, but honey, I'm a beginner. The mistakes were meant to happen. Good thing is I'm gonna cover this with polish, so you're not gonna see this tiny bubble in there and the tiny bubble on this side, but it is sealed in here, so it's not gonna get anything in there. So what I'm gonna do next is just file the tabs off the tip of it so that it's not pokey, and this is what it looks like once you file the tabs off the tip. I know a few of the ladies put beneath it so that the little gel that comes, that's the little gel over here, does not catch any dirt or debris. What I'm gonna do though is take a little brush. I'm gonna take a brush, and so I'm taking some alcohol and I'm gonna wipe over part of the nail that has the excess gel. I'm not at the stage where I understand the hack for putting the gel underneath the nail. I might try it anyway today, but generally I don't. I just wipe the excess with a brush so that it's not sticky. Put a lint-free wipe on top of my alcohol thing, and then I make sure there's alcohol sitting in there. That's what I use to wipe the brush. Then I go ahead and clean under the nail, because once you touch the alcohol to the tip, it turns it white. There is a hack to fix it, but I can't remember the lady that I watched who fixed the white of the alcohol on the nail. So when I figure that out, I will come back so we can discuss that. At this point, you can go ahead and put some polish on it. You are done applying Gel-X tips. Okay, right now you're done applying your Gel-X tips. You can go ahead and apply some gel polish on it or whatever it is that you want to do with the nail. But this is how I apply my Gel-X extensions as a beginner. It's never one smooth motion for me. Somehow they all come out a little bit straighter than they're supposed to because I'm a beginner, but you know, it works out for me, and I don't mind how what this looks like. Okay, so let me know down below in the comments if you're willing to try this. But I'm gonna move on to doing my nail design that I planned on doing today.